Okay, this time we want to learn about the verb. Okay, first of all, go to the student NAS and go to the share folder and copy the register file. And remember, every time you do your work, you need to copy from the share folder to your personal folder. Otherwise, you cannot save your file and you will lose all your data. So make sure you copy all the data to your personal folder. Okay, open this and open the question paper and I think here evidence document. I think you all of you may understand, but I try to make a quick review. So first of all, evidence documents here. So you just double click and okay, double click, enabling here and this one. Okay, make sure name number will appear on every page on this document. So we use the header to display and save the names like this one, the name like this one, and information appear on every page. So use header, again header, insert, header, and we want to use the blank 3 columns because it can satisfy our requirement. And we use the name, center number, candidate number. Name, center number, candidate number. Then done. And then you can see your name, everything is on every page. Okay, you finish this one. Then okay, we go to the verb. You're going to edit a report. The university use a corporate house styles for all their documents. Paragraph style must be created and applied as instructed. What's that? So corporate house style, it means that you need to create your own style, and just like the PowerPoint master slide, or you may watch this one. What style? What's here? After you create, you have your own style here. This one. GR body, GR bullet. It means that we use this style to the body, to the bullet, to subhead, subtitle, and title. Then we create this style first, and then we apply. For example, watch here. I, I clean, I clear the whole format, and I try to use the styles we already created or you will create. So here, for example, after you created your style, just use it. Title, we use title, and we use subtitle here. And because this is the subhead, and volunteer projects, subhead, and you can apply very easy and make your work look in a consistent style. Subhead like this one, subhead. Okay, like this one. Okay, something like this one. Okay, and also you may use the bullet when you create your bullet style. Just select the bullet works you want to use your style. Click this one. Okay, you fulfill all the requirements and looks good, right? Looks good, right? It's better, right? Okay, something like this one. This is called corporate house style and paragraph style. So open your employee.rtf. Open your employee.rtf. This one, you just in your home or in our lab, you just open for me because I have two versions. So I use the old version as the same as you. Okay, drop in, enabling. Okay, where's the next? The page is set to A4 landscape orientations and margins of 2 centimeters. Okay, do not make any changes to these settings. Save the document in your work with the filing report. Make sure it's saved in the format of the software you are using. It means that you save in your Microsoft Word and take a screenshot to show these files has been saved in your folder. Make sure there's evidence. Okay, so these are first task. A4 landscape margins. Okay, A4 all go to layout. A4. Oh, so A4 good. A4 landscape and the margin is 222. I meant 222. So I just not switch it. 222. Okay, all 2 cm. So margins, custom margins, 2 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm. Okay, all 2 cm. Finish. Okay, 2 cm is like 0.79 inch. Okay, and take an evidence. So you need to save. You mean that just save this one, save, and go to your folder, and you need to show. Okay, sorry about this. Because it's rich text format, I suggest use the docs format because it's rich text format, not the Microsoft Word document. So I suggest you need to fulfill or to get a high score. So this one, save as, and go to your NAS. Select this one to this Word document, and save and go back to your booster and because you need to take evidence you already saved and the format is Microsoft Word document. So somehow your computer may like this one and you cannot see cannot prove this is Word document. I suggest you change the view to the details, this one detail, and then you can make sure is your format is Microsoft Word document. Okay, take a screenshot and open your evidence. So evidence 1 here, drop. Okay, crop this one. Okay, it's okay, and we go to the next. Paste in the header all your information is similar to the PowerPoint. Automatic page number right aligned. Okay, your information left aligned. Okay, so again, paste in the footer, and automatic file name with right aligned. File link, and make sure that all the alignment match the page margin. No other text is included in the text and footer areas, and header and footers are displayed on all pages. Okay, so normally we don't need to do this task because when you finish this task, fulfill this task, is always is automatic in fulfill this requirement. Okay, so header. Okay, your information. Okay, style number, header, header, uh, normally free row. Your informations, left hand side, center number, and the student number here, and right hand side is the automatic page number. Okay, here page number, I suggest use a page number here, and they have some suggestion for you. You may use this one, or use the, because I think we just put it in the current position here, just a plain number, this one, and then we finish. And 1, 2, all the information type here very ugly, so I suggest you delete this one. Okay, and the next, the footer, automatic file name. What's the file name? For filing like this one, employee dot x, file name, and or with path, I think we need this one. Path, it means that this one, the whole path, your location is under this is a server, this is your folder, this the booster folder, or the path. Okay, and right aligned. Okay, so we go to the here again, footer, right aligned. Three column, I think very useful. Three column, and we use the file name. So can you see a file name here? Unfortunately, you cannot see file name here. So you need to learn a new thing. If you cannot find the thing you need in here, you just go to the quick paths. All the information here actually. So what we need, this one properties, not this one. Document properties is about this document, the author, something like this one, not this one. We need a file name and its path. So we go to the field here, and then you can see many variable here. Okay, or many information here. So we use the file name. So the F file name, and the format, just use the default. Do you want to need the path? Yes, we need the path. Okay, preserve formatting during update. It means that when you rename your file, and this area will be updated with your newest file name. Okay, file name none. Check this one, done here, and go back. I think we almost fulfill this area. Low other tasks fulfilled. Okay, so we go to the main area. The most important area is create the following styles to fulfill this requirement. Corporate house style. So we need to create 5 style, and then we can use them or apply them to the test. So okay, we create this one. Graduate report, because I think here is graduate report, talking about a graduate employment report. So GR, I think it stands for graduate report title, graduate report subtitle, something like this one. So how can we create this style? So you need to go to this one. Okay, goes header and footer first. Style, normally we just can apply this style. Maybe they have default this one. Subtitle, it has subheading, no subheading. So subtitle, this one. but sometimes you want to create your own style or your corporate style or your house style. So we create new one. So we click this button and pop up a new window, and we go to here or go to your left bottom corner and have a new style button. Click this one. Okay, a new style. So you just copy the name. Oh my god. And in your exam, you just type the name in a paper, a physical paper. So you don't need like me to close it and code here GR title. GR title. Oh my god, how can I know the requirement? Good questions. Okay, I need to remember all the things. Okay, I remember all the things. Sandwich. Remember sandwich. It means that that has tail. Has tail. It means that normally we use a Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Times just Times New Roman. Because this work style has tails at the end of each letter. It means that this one. Or I show you what's that. Show you this one. This one, the tail, I call it tail at the end of each letter. This serif. So I suggest you use the Times New Roman. Okay, and this is serif here, serif. So sans serif, it means that no serif, no tails, such like this one, very plain. No any declaration pieces at the end of each letter. So like Steven said, no serif, no tail. Okay, so I suggest you to here use a Times New Roman. So serif, I suggest you should the Arial. Why? Because this one Arial. Here I suggest. Okay, times. Okay, so I just call this one. Okay, this one. Times. Okay, and Arial. Okay, I need to remember the whole style. Okay. Times 36 center. Bold italic. Single. Okay. Times 36 center. Times this one 36 this one bold italic, and the paragraph single line spacings, this one bold italic single, yes, center, I need to make it center. So I may use another method, because you don't need to follow me because you have a paper. So I use the another method. I use this one, capture the screen, so I can, I can easily to finish. Just put this here and I finish here. So again, so because I forgot to make this one center, so I go back to GR title, modify this one, modify center here. Okay, finish. Okay, so the second one is here, GR subtitle. So again, style, create new style, and GR subtitle, and 18. Right, very easy this time. Underline. The enhancement is underline, only underline, and finish. Single, because in the default watch here, is single, line spacing is single. Okay, so use the default setting. Finish. Okay, and this time subhead. Okay, subhead times. Okay, 16 center. GL subhead times 16 and center and underline italic. Okay, single. Okay, this new thing here, space after. It means that the space after your word. It means that the space between your word and the next paragraph. Okay, so what's that space after? So we go to the paragraph and the spacings. Space after we change to here, line point. You just okay. You just watch here. You watch here. You can see the difference. So what's the difference on the before? It just very easy. This one. Okay. Can you see the difference here? Okay. So it means that how big the space you need to separate your word with the following or before. Okay, here line point done done. Okay, line point. Okay, line point done done. Okay, body create body GL body. Okay, this time send service. This send service no tail. We use Arial. This one Arial and 11 and justify this left, this middle, this right. So this is justify. This one. Why don't you come up? So what's the justify? I may show you what's the justify. Justify means that when you justify text, space is add between words so that both each what's here justify both each of each line align with the both margins. It means that you will add a space here to make sure the left margin and the right margin they are the same. You see here, when you see go to the right, you see the margin here and here is different. Center sometimes is they are equal, but sometimes not equal. But in the justify, they are always equal. The left think this smaller margin, this bigger margin. So we use the justify here. Okay, we go back. Justify, justify, justify. Okay, finish. This one, yes. Okay, justify and the single. Okay, 6 is 6. So we go to the paragraph 6. 6. Finish. Finish. Okay, the last one, bullet. Bullet point Arial. So style here, GLBULET bullet. Which time you use Arial 14. Physium indent from the left with hanging paragraph. Wow, what's that? Where's that? I will show you what's that. I will show you what's that. I will use. Okay, I will use this one. Okay, I will use this one to explain what's that. For example, this paragraph, these two paragraph, these two paragraph. Okay, so we go to the paragraph here, paragraph, and use the line spacing here. So what's that indent? Indent like this one. Watch here, and watch here. Okay, can you see the diff? Okay, like this one. Okay, one, and then your whole passage, we go to the right, we indent. Okay, this is called indent, and the right indent. So I go back, and the right indent like this one. Okay, the right indent, it means that push, push, push you to the left. Okay, for the int you just type. And so let me show you another one. So how about this one? What's that? First line, indent. First line. It means that only apply to the first line. How much you need? Maybe this one. So you can see what's this different. Okay, okay. The first line. The first line. The first line of your paragraph. Let me show this one, and you will understand what I'm talking. This one. So this one. Those one. Okay. You can see the paragraph. The first line of this paragraph is already indent to the right. Okay, this is called the first line. So what's the difference? Legs and the legs, the hangings. It means that except the first line. Okay, you put the indents except the first line. This one only apply to the first line. So you can see the difference here. Okay, except the first line. Okay, the indent like this one. So I may apply it to the again. Apply to again. Okay, tangent. This one, maybe like this one. Okay, this one. Okay, you see here. So it should be sometimes weird here. Okay, here. Okay, you can see the difference. Only apply to the first line, and the second line and the rest of the paragraph they have indent, except the first line. So okay, that's the difference. Okay, we go back. Okay, so I still need to go on this one. Oh my god, I need to go back because I'm creating this one. Okay, this one. Okay, this one create again. Create style. The first one put new style. So what's that? Okay, I suggest you use this one. This one. New style. Open the manager first. This pop window first, and GL bullets, and the area 14, and the VCM indent from the left with hanging paragraph. Okay, go to paragraph and hanging here, VCM here, VCM, and then you finish, and all capitals. Oh, the words need to be capital and shape bullets. Okay, it means that to change the font, make sure your work to be capital. This one, check this one, all caps, all the rest to be become capital, and shape bullet. Okay, bullet. This was okay. And then we go to the bullet. After finish, unfortunately, we need to go to another button. That's kind of difficult. Straight bullet, because bullet is under the lumbering. So we click on lumbering. You can see lumber here, and actually bullet here, and use the shape bullet. This one. So you finish. Okay, like this one, all capital bullet here. Okay, single. We don't need to take care about the single because it's default setting. Okay, done. So make sure the paragraph. Okay, before 0, 0. Okay, we finish. Okay, finish. Okay, we finish all the style. Congratulations. Okay, I think we need to take evidence. So go to the question paper here. This one. This the working paper. Okay, we finished. Take a screenshot so that the style setting have been created. Or for the which one? GL subhead. This one. GL subhead paragraph. Paste in your evidence document. So suggest this one, and GL subhead this one. How can we show the detailed information? Modify. I suggest you show this windows, print screen and evidence 2 here. Only the pop window. Okay, crop, make it bigger. Yeah, this one very easy done. Okay, and we finish. Okay, we go to next. Display this custom style names in the manager. Style manager. It means that to show all the style. You need to show all the style to prove you already created. Provide screenshot. Okay, okay, understand. So go to back here. All style. It means that here. Just screenshot here. Screenshot. Go back to your evidence files here and chop again. Drop again. Okay. Okay. Drop this one. Oh, good. Evidence fee. Okay. This one. Okay, we finish. So we go to the at the start of the document, enter the title. Okay, input this title and apply the. Okay, we finally can use our style. Okay, this title. Okay, input this work. So go to the here. Okay, I'm bigger. Let's close this one. Go to the first line. Okay, and Control V, and use the title. This one, the style we already created. Wow, looks very beautiful. Okay, enter your name immediately after the subtitle added by, and apply the GR subtitle style. Okay, so we go to here and then the length way below space here and use the subtitle this one. Okay, subtitle, and the feeling so good. Apply the GL body style to the rest of the document. Okay, to the rest document. GL body. Is it true? Okay, because we don't have the underline. So remember, so I think there's some problem here with according to the requirement. I remember this very plain and very this one. No any enhancement. So I think I forgot to do something. So go back. And how can you modify? I suggest go back here and the body here and check modify here. I think no enhancement. Okay, because the enhancement somehow we apply from the previous style you just created. Just like you copy the style. So remember, every time you create a new style, make sure you clear the style you just created before. So no any. Okay, no any enhancement. Check again. 11. Oh, very difficult. Okay, I think it's okay. 11. Okay. Okay, looks good. 11, yeah, justify. I don't want to go back. I think it's okay. The body, okay. 6, okay. And we go to continue to apply our style. Change the page layout so the subheading, the skills cap, and all the following text is displayed in two equally spaced columns with 210 centimeters space between the columns. Wow. Okay, this one. Change page layout. It means that you go to the page layout first. So that subheading. It means that you include this subheading and all the following text to separate them into two columns. Okay. the skill caps, this one. So include that and choose all the tests and go to page layout, columns here. Two, is it so simple here? No, because you have requirement to make sure the space between the column and it is 2 cm, this one. And watch here, when you enter the space and the width of the two column, they are equal. They are equal. This column and this column, they are equal automatically. So you don't need to change. Just write down set the values here. Okay, finish 2 cm is equal to 0.79 inch. Okay, go. Okay. What's the next question paper? Okay, we finish. Okay, up high, yes, there is bullets from the communication to enthusiasm. So communication to enthusiasm here. Bullets, yes, bullets. Looks very beautiful. Identify the X subheadings in the document and apply the GL subhead. Okay, so heading here and then GL subhead here. Oh, the feelings go good when you after you create subhead. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, really 8, 5, okay, 6, 7, 7, really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, okay, X. Okay, we finish. Okay, import the image and paste this below the subheading volunteering projects here, image here. So you just I suggest you just drag the volunteer, this picture, just drag it here, and here nothing happens. Wow, go to here. Okay, so you go on. We start the site to the width of 2.5 cm with the aspect ratio maintained. Okay, so double click here, and you can hear width 2.5 cm, yeah, width 2.5 cm. And when you finish, okay, the ratio of this aspect they maintain. It means that the length and the width they are maintain the same ratio. Okay, so we just keep the default setting. Is aligned to the left margin and at the top of the paragraph starting mainly employer favored by here. Volunteer projects. Where's volunteer project? This one. Oh man, okay. We just put here, drag here. Okay. And okay, we have the text walk around the image. Okay, I think very important. You see the works is here because I want to work. I walk around these textures, not this one. Okay, so how can I do this one? Double click and so goes the walk test and try. I think the ties is very good. The ties, the full is okay. The square is okay, but this one is not okay, right? And this one is not okay, right? This one is your work is disappear. So use this one tight, and make sure this one. Okay, finish. Spell check and prove it. Okay, program spell check. I think here, I think this works. They programs. This one spell check. They are good. Anything? The list they are lost. They are low vital or low orphans. It means that what's the vital and orphan? It's right here. Why though? A paragraph ending line that falls at the beginning of the following page or column. Thus, so separated from the rest of the text. So they have a past but no future. So what's that mean? I may show you example. What's that mean? Maybe like this one. Let me show you the example here. I want to give them a loop. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. The first line, the only one line. Okay, this one, because I do something. So here, this is called rider, because you leave you leave a line with the whole of your paragraph. So it means that you have the past. You have the past, but no future. So you are rider. How about the next one, author? A paragraph opening lines that appears by itself at the bottom of the page or column, thus separated from the rest of the text. It means that they are in opposite. They have low past but a futures, like this one, low past. Okay, this paragraph, um, only the first line live here, and the futures is very good. So it means that it has low past. This paragraph low past, and this paragraph has many futures. It calls often, like this one. So just contrast. Go back. Yeah. Okay. So I'm showing this one. So watch here, low windows or low window. It means that only one line, two lines. Okay. Two lines. Okay. Low brand page. How style we already say. Okay, brand page. Low brand page. Okay. Already finished. And save document using file. Is that step one? Step one. I think it's the step one. What's step one? Oh, it's this file name report. So yes, save as. Go to your NAS, your personal folder, your personal folder, and report. REPORT, report, and okay, and finish. Yes, finish. Save. Paste the evidence screenshot showing the this data. What's that? Not sorry about this. I'm a little tired. Okay, and save document using okay. Pin. Make sure your name. Okay, pin. Very easy. Just click this one and pin. This time, pin all the thing. Just click this one and you pin all the thing in the printer, and the teacher will collect all the stuff. Okay, I think you finished. Congratulations, you can finish all the tutorial.